In part A, we write the algebraic expression for f of x given its verbal description. That is, it is given as divide input by 7 and add 6 by 7 to the result. So let's write the algebraic expression for f of x. So I write f of x and this equals, it is given divide input by 7. So if you consider x as the input, we divide by 7. That's what we do first. So I write x by 7 and we have to add 6 by 7 to the result. So we add 6 by 7 to the result. So therefore this becomes x by 7 plus 6 by 7, which we can combine these two fractions as x plus 6 over 7. So therefore we say that the algebraic expression of f of x equals x plus 6 over 7. Okay, let's do part B. Here we determine the numerical representation of the function f of x. So we are given this table with a few sample values for x. So for each of the x values, we have to determine the corresponding f of x. So first, using this function f of x, I'm going to plug in x equal to 1. So therefore, this becomes f of 1 and this equals 1 plus 6 over 7. So we get 7 over 7 and this equals 1. So when x equal to 1, f of x equal to 1, I can put this in the table. Now let's determine for the other values of x. So therefore we have x equal to 4. We get f of 4 and this equals 4 plus 6 over 7 equals 10 seventh. So I write 10 seventh here. Let me do for x equal to 6. This becomes f of 6 equals 6 plus 6 over 7 and this equals 12 seventh. So I put 12 seventh here. Now let me find for x equal to 8. So when x equal to 8, we have f of 8 and this equals 8 plus 6 over 7. This equals 8 plus 6 is 14 over 7 and this is 2. So let me put 2 here. So this is the numerical representation of the function f of x. In part C, we determine the graphical representation of the function. So it's basically we just have to convert this numerical representation to graph. So we use this table information and plot all the points in the coordinate axis, xy coordinate axis. So the first point is 1 comma 1 and the second point is 4 comma 10 by 7. This is the second point, 4 comma 10 by 7. This is given in decimals. And this is the third point, which is 6 comma 12 seventh, which is 6 comma 1.714. 12 seventh is equivalent to 1.714. And the last point is 8 comma 2. So basically plot all these points in the xy coordinate axis and connect them through the line, which gives the graphical representation of the function.